Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to unlock OPPO K10x without password. Okay, so let's begin, but in the beginning I will tell you that please only try to unlock your phone, in no other case someone else's, because that may be considered as a crime, and that's also unethical. Also be aware that in the method that I'm going to show you, basically we lose all of our data, because we need to perform a factory reset using the recovery mode, so have that in mind. So, to enter the recovery mode, we need to power off our device first. Click power off, click the power button and volume up button. Now drag this white ball into the power off. Now our device has been turned off. Okay, and now to enter the recovery mode, we need to hold the power button and volume down button at the same time. We need to keep holding. Okay, now we are in the recovery mode. To move around this menu we can use volume keys, and you need to click the power button to confirm the selected option, just like that, but you can also use your fingers, just like that. Now we need to click on format data, and now we need to type this code using our keyboard, and here we have a last chance to stop, because that's the information that all of the data will be erased. We need to click on format. OK, data formatted. Click on OK. Now the device will be automatically turned on within a second, and the next thing we need to do is to set up our device. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.